Hey there, coin enthusiasts. Welcome to Zikzok Coin Action. Today, we're uncovering the most rare and valuable Jefferson nickels, including an incredible discovery from an old mummy box. You won't want to miss our countdown of the top 4 Jefferson nickels. If you have even one of these coins in your pocket, you could be holding $1 million treasure. Let's dive in. The 1970 Jefferson nickel is a fascinating piece of American numismatic history that has garnered significant attention from collectors and enthusiasts alike. While it may seem like just another 5-cent coin, its unique characteristics and the circumstances surrounding its minting have made it a valuable find for those who know what to look for. In this exploration, we will delve into the history of the Jefferson nickel, the specifics of the 1970 issue, and the various factors that contribute to its value in today's global auction market. The Jefferson nickel was first introduced in 1938, designed by Felix Schlag to honor Thomas Jefferson, the third president of the United States. The coin features a portrait of Jefferson on the obverse and Monticello, his Virginia estate, on the reverse. This design has remained largely unchanged over the decades, making the Jefferson nickel a classic representation of American coinage. The coin was created during a time when the United States was transitioning away from silver coins, and the nickel became an essential part of everyday transactions. The 1970 Jefferson nickel is particularly noteworthy for several reasons. First, it was minted during a period of significant change in the United States, both socially and economically. The late 1960s and early 1970s were marked by social upheaval, economic challenges, and a shift in the way Americans viewed currency. As the country moved away from silver coins, the nickel became a staple in the pockets of everyday Americans. One of the key features of the 1970 Jefferson nickel is its mint mark. The coin was minted in 2 locations, Philadelphia and Denver. The Philadelphia Mint produced coins without a mint mark, while the Denver Mint marked its coins with a D. The 1970 D nickel is particularly sought after by collectors due to its lower mintage compared to its Philadelphia counterpart. This difference in minting locations plays a significant role in the coin's value. The composition of the 1970 Jefferson nickel is another important aspect to consider. The coin is made of 75% copper and 25% nickel, a standard alloy that has been used since the 1860s. This composition gives the coin its distinctive appearance and durability. The nickel's design has remained largely unchanged since its inception, which adds to its appeal as a collectible item. When it comes to the value of the 1970 Jefferson nickel, several factors come into play. The condition of the coin is perhaps the most significant determinant of its worth. Coins are graded on a scale from poor, P, to perfect uncirculated, Mississippi 70. The condition of your 1970 Jefferson nickel will significantly impact its value. Here's a breakdown of the potential values based on condition. 1. 1970D nickel. A standard 1970D nickel in average condition can be worth around $1,400. This value is primarily driven by the coin's rarity and demand among collectors. The 1970D nickel is particularly sought after due to its lower mintage, making it a valuable addition to any collection. 2. Circulated 5-cent nickel. If you have a circulated 1970 nickel, it may be worth approximately $2,650. Circulated coins show signs of wear and tear, but their historical significance can still command a premium. Collectors often seek out circulated coins for their stories and the history they represent. 3. Uncirculated nickel. An uncirculated 1970 nickel, which has never been used in transactions and retains its original luster, can be valued at around $4,000. Collectors prize these coins for their pristine condition, and they are often seen as the crown jewels of a collection. 4. Error coins. Error coins are particularly valuable in the numismatic world. A 1970 Jefferson nickel with a minting error can be worth up to $6,500. These errors can include misaligned dies, double strikes, or other anomalies that make the coin unique. Collectors are often willing to pay a premium for these rare finds, as they represent a break from the norm. 5. Misprints. The most valuable of all are misprinted coins. If you happen to find a 1970 nickel with a significant misprint, it could be worth as much as $8,500. These coins are extremely rare and highly sought after by collectors. The allure of misprints lies in their uniqueness and the stories they tell about the minting process. To understand the value of the 1970 Jefferson nickel fully, it is essential to consider the importance of condition. Coins are graded based on their appearance, and this grading system plays a crucial role in determining their market value. Here are some common grading terms. I hope you understand the value of 1975-cent nickel. Next, rare finds. When it comes to American numismatics, few discoveries can rival the excitement generated by finding a valuable coin tucked away in an unexpected location. Imagine stumbling upon a 1999 Jefferson nickel in an old mummy box. It may sound peculiar, but this scenario underscores the intriguing world of coin collection and the remarkable value associated with certain coins. In this article, we will explore the 1999 Jefferson nickel, its background, its classifications, the factors that contribute to its value, and the thrill of discovery that can electrify any coin enthusiast. As we dive into the significance of the 1999 Jefferson nickel, it's crucial to recognize the historical context surrounding this coin. The year 1999 marked an important period for American coinage, serving as a transition between two distinct design elements that reflect the evolution of national identity, art, and culture. The 1999 Jefferson nickel. What sets it apart? Though Jefferson nickels have been part of American currency for decades, the 1999 edition is notable for several reasons, primarily its unique variants, collectible appeal, and the potential for error coins that can fetch astronomical prices. Understanding the types of 1999 nickels and their value in the numismatic market will help collectors and enthusiasts better appreciate their find, whether they uncover it in an old box or stumble upon it in circulation. 1. Standard 1999 Jefferson nickel. The standard 1999 Jefferson nickel, minted in Philadelphia with the mint mark P, typically holds a value of around $1,780. However, like any other coin, its value fluctuates based on condition and market demand. For coins that have circulated and seen significant wear, their value can decrease substantially. 2. Circulated versus uncirculated coins. The condition of the coin, whether it is circulated or uncirculated, plays a significant role in determining its market value. Circulated coins. Depending on their condition, circulated 1999 nickels can be worth around $3,730. It's worth noting that most coins in circulation will show signs of wear and tear, which can diminish their collectible attractiveness. Uncirculated coins. For coins that have never been circulated and show no signs of wear, the value skyrockets, ranging from $5,000 to $6,500. These pristine nickels are sought after by collectors who are interested in acquiring well-preserved examples from this particular year. 3. Error coins. Among coin collectors, error coins are among the most coveted. These are coins that were minted with a mistake during the production process, resulting in unique and often striking features. The 1999 Jefferson nickel is no exception. Depending on the type of error, these coins can fetch values ranging from $9,000 to $11,000. Examples of potential errors for the 1999 nickel include misaligned dies. This occurs when the dies used to mint the coin do not align correctly, leading to an off-center strike. Double striking. This happens when a coin is struck twice, creating a distinct and often more pronounced impression of the design. 4. Misprints. Lastly, misprinted coins, while rarer still, can command astonishing prices. If you come across a 1999 Jefferson nickel with significant misprints, you could find yourself in possession of a coin worth around $12,500. Misprints can occur due to various manufacturing flaws such as incorrect lettering, incorrect positioning, or muddled inscriptions. Finding any of these rare coins can be an exhilarating experience for collectors and amateurs alike. But the journey doesn't end with just identifying the coin. It also involves preservation, grading, and eventually selling or trading it in the market. I hope you understand the value of 1999 5-cent nickel. Next valuable hunt. If you have, you are very lucky. Among the many iterations of this nickel is the 2000 edition, which has gained notable attention due to its rarity and unique market value. In this article, we will explore the key attributes that contribute to the value of the 2000 USA Jefferson nickel, along with tips for collectors. Valuing the 2000 USA Jefferson nickel. The 2000 Jefferson nickel has several variants, each with a different value depending on its condition, rarity, and specific characteristics. Here is a breakdown of some notable categories. 1. Standard circulated 2000 Jefferson nickel. While most 2000 Jefferson nickels are worth their face value of 5 cents, some rare examples have been discovered that command prices as high as $110. These are often coins with specific mint errors or those that have remained in remarkably good condition over time. 2. Circulation condition coins that have been circulated but still retain their quality can be valued higher in the market. The average worth of a circulated 2000 nickel can range up to approximately $173.40, depending heavily on the demand and the specific details of the coin. 3. Uncirculated condition. The condition plays a significant role in a coin's valuation. A 2000 Jefferson nickel that has never been circulated can achieve valuations of around $215.09. These coins are often kept in protective holders and exhibit minimal signs of wear, making them highly desirable to collectors. 4. Error coins. Perhaps the most intriguing category is the error coins. Mistakes made during the minting process can result in unique features that elevate these coins' value. Error coins from this year can be worth as much as $25,000. Examples may include coins with off-center strikes, double strikes, or other anomalies that occur during the production phase. 5. Misprints. Similarly, misprints, which could include incorrect minting or lettering, can increase value dramatically. A 2000 US 5-cent misprint may fetch around $13,009, depending on how pronounced and unique the error is and the demand among collectors. Assessing the importance of coin condition. The collector's market. Walking into the world of coin collecting can be daunting, especially for beginners. However, understanding the specifics about sought-after coins, such as the 2000 USA Jefferson nickel, can guide collectors in making knowledgeable purchases and sales. Finding coins. Collectors can locate valuable 2000 Jefferson nickels through coin shows, online marketplaces like eBay, or local coin shops. Networking with other collectors through forums and social media can also yield leads on where to find rare coins. Verification. Authenticity is crucial when purchasing coins. Collectors should consider seeking third-party grading services, such as the Professional Coin Grading Service, PCGS, or Numismatic Guarantee Corporation, NGC, to provide reliable assessments of grading and authenticity. Storage and care. Coins should be stored in a way that prevents damage. This can include using coin holders, capsules, or protective sleeves. Handling coins with clean hands or gloves will minimize the risks of fingerprints, oils, or scratches. Future trends. As with any collectible market, the value of coins can fluctuate based on demand, market conditions, and the historical significance of the elements that comprise them. Interest in rare coins, especially those tied to specific historical events or attributes, can significantly increase with time. The 2000 USA Jefferson nickel may seem like a common 5-cent piece to the untrained eye, but with specific attributes and collectors' interest, it can represent a unique treasure that holds significant financial value. Whether you are an enthusiast, a collector, or simply someone interested in numismatics, understanding the complexities surrounding coins like the 2000 Jefferson nickel can enhance your experience in this fascinating hobby. Conclusion. For American collectors, the 2000 USA Jefferson nickel is more than just a coin. It is a piece of history, art, and potential investment. Its rarity and unique characteristics make it a valuable addition to any collection. As you venture into the world of coin collecting, remember to educate yourself, network with like-minded individuals, and, most importantly, enjoy the journey. Happy collecting. In the realm of numismatics, the discovery of rare coins often generates excitement among collectors and investors alike. One such notable find is the 2006 USA 5-cent nickel, which has garnered attention due to its unique characteristics, limited availability, and significant value in certain conditions. As we delve into the intricate world of this nickel, we'll explore its history, the factors contributing to its value, and tips for collectors who might stumble upon this treasure in their own coin collections. To begin with, it's essential to understand the background of the 5-cent nickel in American currency. The nickel, as we know it today, has evolved over the years, with various designs and compositions reflecting the era in which they were minted. The 2006 nickel is part of the Jefferson series, which was first introduced in 1938. Thomas Jefferson, the third president of the United States, was chosen to be featured on the coin, and his image has become synonymous with the nickel itself. The 2006 5-cent nickel is particularly notable for a few reasons. For one, it marks a transition period in American coinage, where changes in minting processes and regulations have brought about slight variations in the coin's appearance and composition. Moreover, discrepancies or errors during the minting process can lead to coins that deviate from the norm, making them valuable to collectors. One of the most striking attributes of the 2006 nickel is tied to its rarity. Coins that are found in circulation can have lower value, generally around $1,700 for circulated coins in good condition. However, those that have been well preserved, termed uncirculated, can fetch prices upwards of $2,300. The distinction between circulated and uncirculated coins lies in their condition. Circulated coins show signs of wear and handle, while uncirculated coins are pristine and exhibit no signs of aging. Collectors place a premium on uncirculated coins because they represent the finest quality, adding to their desirability and market value. Beyond simple circulation status, the emergence of misprints has heightened interest in the 2006 nickel. Misprints occur when there are unexpected changes during the minting process, which may include incorrect placement of designs, improper metal composition, or distinct anomalies that deviate from standard production. Such coins are valuable in the collector's market, with some misprinted 2006 nickels estimated to be worth as much as $4,700. The excitement surrounding misprints comes from their rarity and the stories they tell of the manufacturing process. They exemplify the imperfections inherent in mass production and the allure of owning a piece of history that defies expectation. The rarity of such errors becomes even more pronounced when one considers the laws of supply and demand in the numismatics market. As more collectors become aware of the 2006 nickel and its potential value, the competition for these coins has intensified. The desire to own a piece of this specific coin has led to increased prices and rising interest, thus cementing it as a valuable component of many collectors' portfolios. The 2006 USA 5-cent nickel serves as a reminder of the rewards that come from curiosity and diligence. For those lucky enough to stumble upon this coin, whether in an old box of mementos or while perusing through a collection, it offers more than just monetary value. It invites exploration, learning, and perhaps the beginning of a lifelong passion for coin collecting. So the next time you come across an old nickel, remember the stories it can tell and the value it may hold, and who knows, it might just be a treasure waiting to be uncovered. I hope you understand the values of top 4 Jefferson coin: the 1970 USA nickel, 1999 nickel, 2005 cent and 2006 USA 5-cent values. Subscribe Zikzok Coin Action for more hunting tips.